Hi everyone! Friendly reminder, we have electronic step board on hand here at PRS. Like on this very cute JIMNY, we install electronic step board on it. See, it's very slick design. And also we have for Toyota Hilux, Fortuner, Navara, Land Rover, Land Cruiser, Prado, Everest, Nissan Urban, what other? Many more application also. And it got 2 years warranty on it. This is a plug and play unit and it's very durable. Me personally, I'm using mine in my Hilux is already 5 years. There's no problem even once with it. Feel free to message me here. We're glad to serve you. Stay safe always. Bye!